In this video, I'll show you how to copy formatting in Google Docs. If you want one part of your document to match another without changing the actual words, copying formatting is the easiest way to do it. This is really useful when you want the same font, size, color, bold style, spacing, or heading format in multiple places without setting everything manually again. To get started, open your document in Google Docs and find the text that already has the formatting you want to reuse. This could be a title, a heading, a paragraph, or even a list. Highlight that text first. Next, look at the toolbar at the top and click the Paint Format icon. It looks like a small paint roller. Once you click it, your cursor will change, which means Google Docs is ready to copy that style. Now highlight the text you want to apply that formatting to. As soon as you do that, the new text will take on the same look as the original. This includes things like font style, text size, bold, or italic, formatting, text color, and sometimes paragraph settings as well. If you only need to copy formatting one time, that's all you have to do. But if you want to apply the same formatting to several parts of the document, there's a faster way. Double-click the Paint Format icon instead of clicking it once. This keeps the formatting tool turned on so you can keep selecting different text areas and apply the same style again and again. When you're done, click the Paint Format icon one more time to turn it off, or just press Escape on your keyboard. This tool can save a lot of time, especially when you're cleaning up a long document or trying to keep everything consistent. Instead of manually changing font size, alignment, spacing, and style in each section, you can copy the formatting in just a few clicks. One thing to remember is that copying formatting changes only the appearance of the text, not the words themselves, so your content stays the same while the design becomes more polished and professional. And that's how to copy formatting in Google Docs. It's a simple feature, but it makes document editing much faster and helps your work look more organized. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.